Let us discuss the topic irrational numbers. But before discussing the topic, let us discuss the objectives of this topic. The first objective is that we are going to understand that what are irrational numbers or surds. Number two, irrational numbers between two rational number or two irrational numbers. That how to insert irrational numbers between two rational numbers and two irrational numbers. The number third is addition and subtraction of surds. Number four, multiplication and division of surds. Number fifth is comparison of surds. Number sixth, rationalizing factor or the conjugate pairs. Number seventh is the rationalization. And eighth is the special types that we are going to discuss. And the number ninth is the simplification. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss what are irrational numbers or surds and how we are going to insert irrational numbers between two rational numbers and two irrational numbers. So let us start with the topic irrational numbers. Now students, we have already discussed in the chapter rational numbers that the fractional numbers or the numbers, they are of two types, that is terminating one and the non-terminating one. The terminating one, they are called as the rational number, and non-terminating one, they are of two types also, that is repeating and non-repeating. Repeating, they are also called as the recurring decimals. They are also a rational numbers. And non-repeating, that is non-recurring, they are called as the irrational numbers. So the non-terminating and non-repeating, they are the irrational numbers. So let us discuss in detail a definition of irrational numbers and surds. So what are surds or irrational numbers? Let a be a rational number and n be a positive integer such that nth root of a, then it will be an irrational number. So nth root of a is called a surd or a radical of order n. So basically we can learn that whosoever nth root is not possible, they are called as the irrational numbers. So here are some terms that we are going to discuss in the surds. For that, let us see an example, that is b multiply nth root of a. So here b is called as the rational factor. N is the order of the radical. And this symbol is a radical and a is a radicand. So here we are mainly talking about three terms: rational factor, order of a radical, and a radicand. So let us discuss some example based on this one only. So the first example is square root of 7. Now in this, let us discuss what will be a rational factor, what is its order, and what will be its radicand. Now here nothing is written before square root of 7, so that means here it will be 1. So the rational factor will be 1. Now the order, that is square root, that is 2. So the order will be 2 and the radicand is 7. So let us have a look at one more example, that is 3 into 5th root of 46. So what is the rational factor in this one? That is 3. What is the order of this one? That is 5. This one. And what is the radicand? And the radicand is 46. Now students, let us discuss the various types of surds. So there are basically 4 types of surds. The number 1 is the pure surd. Number 2 is the mixed surd. Number 3 is the like surds. And number 4 is the unlike surds. So let us discuss these types in detail. So the number 1 is the pure surd. So pure surd is a surd that does not contain a rational factor other than 1. So that means the rational factors of the pure surds is 1 only. For example, square root of 2, square root of 3, or the cube root of 5. So in this example, the rational factor is 1. So it is called as a pure surd. Now the mixed surd is a surd which has a rational factor other than 1. For example, 2 under root 5 or 5 cube root of 4. So in these two examples, the rational factor is other than 1. In this case, the rational factor is 2. And in this example, the rational factor is 5, which is other than 1. So they are called as the mixed surds. Now the third type of the surd is the like surds, which is if 2 or more surds have same order and same radicand, then they are called as the like surd. For example, 4 under root 2, 3 under root 2, and 3 upon 5 under root 2. Now in this case, the order of all the 3 surd is 2, and the radicand in all the 3 cases is also 2. So that is, they have the same order and also they have the same radicands. So that means these 3 are the like surds. Now what are unlike surds? If the order and the radicand of 2 or more surds are not same, then they are called as the unlike surds. For example, 5 square root of 3, 2 fifth root of 2, and 6 upon 5 square root of 7. Now in this case, neither the order is same or the radicand is same. The radicand is also different and the order is also different. So they are called as the unlike surd. Now students, let us discuss how we are going to express an irrational number as a mixed surd or in its simplified form. The first example is express square root of 98 as mixed surd or write square root of 98 in simplified form. So for writing any irrational number as a mixed surd or in its simplified form, we have to do the prime factorization. So after doing the prime factorization of 98, we are going to get square root of 98 will be written as square root of 2 into 7 into 7. So as the order is of 2, so we are going to do the pairing of two terms. So here we get the pair of 7. So 7 will come outside and 2 will remain inside. So square root of 98 is equal to 7 under root 2. So let us discuss one more example based on the topic. So write 15 under root 45 in simplified form. So now we are going to do the prime factorization of 45. So we are going to write 15 under root 45 as 15 under root 45 equal to 15 into under root of 3 into 3 into 5. Here also the order is of 2. So we are going to do the pairing of two terms. So we get the pair of 3. So it will come outside and 5 will remain inside. So we are going to write it as 15 multiplied by 3 into square root of 5. Now what is 15 threes are? That is 45. So 15 under root 45 will be equal to 45 under root 5. So now students, let us discuss that how we are going to insert an irrational number between two rational numbers and how we are going to insert an irrational number between two irrational numbers. So to find an irrational number between two rationals. So for example, find an irrational number between 2 and 3. So we just need to remember that if we need to find an irrational number between two rational numbers, so we are going to use the formula square root of AB. So here A is equal to 2 and B equal to 3. So irrational number will be equal to square root of A into B. That is square root of 2 into 3. That is square root of 6. So therefore 2 is less than square root of 6 less than 3. Now if we need to find irrational numbers between two given irrational numbers. So here we need to remember some steps. So let us discuss by an example. So here we need to write three irrational numbers between square root of 2 and square root of 7. So here the given irrational numbers are square root of 2 and square root of 7. So the first step is that we are going to do the squarings of the given irrational numbers. So on squaring we get square root of 2 whole square and square root of 7 whole square. So the square root of 2 is 2 and square root of 7 square is 7. So now what are the different numbers lying between 2 and 7? The numbers between 2 and 7 are 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we are just going to put the symbol of square root on them and we'll get the irrational numbers between the given irrational numbers. But we are not going to put the symbol of square root on this number because the square root of 4 is equal to 2, which is a rational number, not an irrational number. So therefore the irrational numbers between square root of 2 and square root of 7 are square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of 6. So now students, you have got a sum based on this topic. So practice those sums. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.